Hi guys, the shop we are doing now is bombaylettering.com. So they are not just an online shop, they also provide services for calligraphy and lettering, and they also conduct workshops. So if you guys want to learn calligraphy, you can come to this website and check them out. This is their homepage. So as you can see, they provide services like wedding calligraphy, lettering and calligraphy, and these are their upcoming workshops. If you guys are interested in learning calligraphy, you can also check out their lookbook. So these are the designs by Bombay Lettering. Let's go back to homepage. So this online shop is by Sanjana Chatlani. She's a calligrapher. Let's check out their products. So you know what, if you are interested in calligraphy, so you can find everything about calligraphy in their online shop. So they have pads, they have pen pillows, they have pen holders, that is, then they have inks, then they have different kind of nibs. So I guess if lettering and calligraphy is your thing, then this is the shop you can check out. Let's check out their contact details. So they have provided the email address on their contact page, and about their shipping cancellation and refund. So once the product is successfully sold, it cannot be returned for refund. Although you can just mail them within 36 hours on sanjana@bombaylettering.com to cancel your order, and it will be cancelled. There is free shipping within India for about rupees 1999, and below that there will be 75 rupees per order within Maharashtra, and outside Maharashtra 100 per order for delivery. So the product will reach you from up to 3 to 7 days. They do not provide cash on delivery. Let's check out their social media pages. Bombay Lettering is their Facebook handle, guys, and they have provided a contact number on their Facebook page. Bombay Lettering is their Instagram page, guys, if you want to go and follow them and check out their feeds. This is it, guys. This was Bombay Lettering for you. So if you guys are into lettering and writing and calligraphy, you should totally check out this online shop and their workshops and their services. They are very, very beautiful, very, very amazing. You can see them by yourself. So that's it, guys. Hope you like the online shop. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel so that you guys do not miss my another video on another online shop. There are so many online shops that I want you guys to check out. And if you have any that you want me to go through like this, please let me know. Also, if you guys are searching to buy anything online and you're not able to find it, please let me know. Write down in the comment section below. I may be able to help you with that. So see you guys soon with another video. Take care. Goodbye.